Prepositions of time. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show things like time, place, and direction. Let's learn about prepositions of time. Prepositions of time show when something happens. Common prepositions of time are at, on, and in. For example, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. The party is on September 8th. Flowers grow in the spring. We use the preposition at with clock times. We eat dinner at 6:30 p.m. He goes to school at 8:45 a.m. We also use at for other times. I watch TV at night. They eat in the cafeteria at lunchtime. We use the preposition on with days of the week. She has a job interview on Monday. We always play baseball on Fridays. We also use on for dates. The students have a test on October 2nd. My birthday is on April 19th. We use the preposition in with the time of day. She drinks coffee in the morning. They go to the gym in the afternoon. We also use in for months and years. My mother plants vegetables in May. I graduated in 2019. We use in for seasons too. We go to the beach in the summer. Look at the picture and say or write a sentence using a preposition of time. For example, we will take a trip in 2022. Now you try. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.